Enhance your breastfeeding journey with the S40 Wearable Breast Pump. Starting your journey with the S40 Breast Pump. Battery status. A red light indicates low battery, which holds for up to 20 minutes. A green light shows a full charge, providing more than 80 minutes of use. Comprehensive setup instructions for the S40 Breast Pump. 1. Silicone diaphragm. Start by placing the silicone diaphragm into the three-way flange. It's important to make sure it clicks into place or feels firmly secured. This step is crucial for the pump's performance as it helps create a proper vacuum. 2. Valve attachment. Next, attach the valve to the same three-way flange. There's a specific way to do this for it to work correctly, so looking at the assembly video can provide visual guidance to ensure you're aligning everything just right. 3. Flange and container connection. Now, take the flange assembly, which includes the diaphragm and valve you just attached, and connect it to the container. It should fit into a designated slot on the container. Make sure this connection is tight and secure to prevent any leaks during use. 4. Silicone breast shield. Insert the silicone breast shield into the flange. There are grooves on both the shield and the flange that need to align. Once aligned, press the edges of the shield to ensure it's fully sealed. This part is important for your comfort and the efficiency of milk extraction. 5. Pump motor unit. Lastly, attach the pump motor unit to the rest of the assembled parts. This is the brain of the pump, so ensuring a secure and correct connection is essential for the pump to operate effectively. Fine-tuning your pumping experience. Adjusting settings on the S40 motor unit. Press the on-off button briefly to switch the pump on or off. Hit M to switch between stimulation and expression modes, with 9 levels of customization for optimal comfort and efficiency. A prolonged press of the power button when the device is off turns on the nasal aspiration function, featuring 5 levels of gentle suction. The S40 Wearable Breast Pump is crafted to streamline your pumping experience while prioritizing your health and safety with its purpose-built features. Memory feature. The S40 automatically remembers your last settings, allowing for a smooth continuation of your pumping session without needing to reset your preferences. For your safety and preserve device integrity, the S40 features an automatic shutdown mechanism after 30 minutes of continuous use in pumping mode. This function promotes both efficient operation and peace of mind. Should you require assistance or have any inquiries regarding your S40 breast pump, please contact TPH Technology. We are committed to your satisfaction and the superior performance of our product. Thank you.